guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tessy. So today's video is going to be all about this wig I'm wearing this week. I made this wig myself, cut it, and yeah, it was a bit challenging making this wig all by myself, guys. Yes, it was a big challenge because I've never ever tried making wig by myself before. So, and this time I thought of why not try and make your own wig, because I'm the type of person that like braid, guys. I love braid. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go ahead to show you how I made this wig from start to finish, like from braiding the hair, attaching the hair to the wig cap, and everything. And the closure I use, the type of closure I use is this type of closure. I got this closure from AliExpress, and I made a mistake with this closure because I went to buy the one that has 3 patterns, as you can see there on the camera. I went for a beginner. I think this type of closure is not really advisable. It's better you get the one that has only 1 pattern at the middle. But I had aim. I was thinking like of styling them different ways. I want, like, you can style them side and all that, but I'm happy the way everything turned out, like the way it comes out. It comes out really nice. So yeah, I use these 2 color of expression braid. I love the color a lot. If you know me very well, you already know that I like color hair. So guys, this is how I braid my hair. I just tie some rope, like this wooden rope, around the hair. And this is the expression I'm using. I'm using 2 different color, but they look similar. One is 2 of it is brighter than this one I'm using here. So I'm just going to start braiding the hair, and I'm going to show you how I braid the hair. So now I'm cutting out one of the pack. Just take out the amount of hair you want, depends on the size of braid you want. Now I love to use cream while braiding my hair. So here I'm dividing it into 2 and just cross it over, as you can see there now. Then now I'm going to cross it on that rope there. Then open the middle of one and start braiding the hair. So I'm going to show you that one more time again. You can as well look for how to braid hair. I think there's a lot of video here on YouTube on how to braid hair, like in a slow motion, that you can learn better. So yeah, so I'm just going to show you another way I do this. I hope you understand it. Okay, yeah. So now this is me again putting trying to make another braid. Yes, so just put your index finger in the middle of one, then use the other one, cross it, and then make it 3 and start braiding until you braid to the tips of the hair. So here I'm done braiding the hair, as you can see. So it's the time to move over for the wig. Let's make the wig. Okay, so here is the wig cap. You can use any wig cap of your choice, guys. I've already put the thread on the needle. So now I'm going to put the needle between that head of the braid and start attaching it into your wig cap. The method I'm using here, I'm not going to be cutting each of the braids, like cutting it, making it one. I'm going to use the weave style to make this. I don't know if you understand. Just watch and see what I'm doing. So instead of attaching one and cut it out and attach again and cut it out, I decide to do them all at the same time, but I make sure that I secure them at least 3 times each of them. Like secure them 3 times, just like what I'm doing here. As you can see, I don't cut them at all, but you can use the cutting method, like when you attach one braid on the wig cap, you cut them, you cut the thread and secure and attach another one and cut. But I find this one very simple, very easy to do. you don't have to be doing it one, you just have to give it a time. Just cut it and continue again. It's very fast. For me, I find this one very fast. So I'm going to go ahead now to continue doing this on continue attaching the braid into the wig cap. Okay, that is what I'm going to be doing here. You can give this a try, you will like it. The only problem is that it's going to consume more of the thread you're using. So as you can see, I've done just circle of it, like the tip of it. I'm done with that, and I'm going to continue with another space. Just try to give it space, okay? You know, if you attach too much at the beginning of the wig, it's going to be too full. Depends on how you want your braids actually to be. If you want them to be too full, it depends on you. So here I'm done doing the back, this and the both sides. It's time to attach the closure now. Yes guys, so I'm going to attach the closure of the camera after putting this part of the hair. Like after sewing it in, I'm going to attach the closure now. Okay,
back in 06 when nobody was watching. I said, boy, you were stunting. Real G Lomo, I swear it is nothing but hard work, dedication, going through my education, been a long time coming.
so all I'm doing here, I'm attaching the closure, like I'm using office pin to secure the closure into the wig cap for them not to move when I'm sewing it in. So just go ahead and sew in your closure to the wig cap, and we'll move to the next one. So guys, I'm done with the closure. I'm done sewing in the closure, as you can see there. So I'm going to start to braid the hair now. Like the closure, I'm just going to start braiding it. Like I always say, depends on how you want the length and the thickness you want your braid. So just go ahead and braid all the closure that you have there. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now.
I don't send anybody, man. See, make you watch how I rise, oh, hey, to the top, I will rise, oh, hey. What they hate, Tobari me no streets, what they hate, Tobari me no Benz, what they hate, Vikils, what up? Bad man, I see you. Yeah. 2015. Yeah, man. Don't touch it.
Yeah guys, I'm done braiding the almost all the closure. So I'm going to go ahead now to get the other ones done. Then we'll move to the next step. Like for a first time of making wig, I love how this wig turned out guys. So yeah, let's move to the next one. Okay, so guys, it's time to start trimming the hair. So go ahead and trim your hair if you feel to, you know. So I'm going to trim all the hair now, and then we'll move to the next one. So I'm just here trying to organize the hair together. As you can see there, just go ahead, organize the hair. So this one now, I'm going to attach the elastic band that is going to be at the back of the hair. So just attach the elastic band there. Okay, just cut the size that you think is good or that will fit your hair very well. And as I was doing this, I already placed water over the heat for the hair because I love to put my hair on a hot water. Hot water not only helps to smoothen the hair, it helps to reduce the weight of the hair. so it's very good to put your hair in a hot water. Okay, so yeah, so here is me putting the hair on a hot water. Like I said, just make sure you don't burn yourself. Okay, make sure you don't burn yourself. So I'm just going to do this hot water hair treatment or whatever it's called, but I love this a lot when I'm doing my braid. Even if I attach the braid on my hair, I love to put it on a hot water. So that is what I'm going to be doing here. So after doing the hot water process, I love to gel my hair, like to add some gel to my braid. This is optional. You can decide not to add gel, but I love it. I don't know why, but I love to add gel whenever I put my hair on a hot water. So after the gel, now I'm going to go ahead to leave it under the sun and allow the hair to dry up before I can put it on. So guys, I've cut out the lace front that was here. So now I'm just going to put on the wig and for you guys to see the final result. Please take it easy with me. This is my first time and I'm going to be trying more wigs. You know, they say practice make perfect, you know. So yes, so just tell me what you think about the wig. Did I try or not? So I'm going to put it on now for you to see the final result. Okay, so guys, this is the final result of this wig, and I hope you enjoy watching how to make this wig with me. You know, if you're the type that want to make your own wig, just go ahead and try. There is no harm in trying. I'm very much impressed how the wig turned out. I thought it would turn out bad and all that, because I was so worried on how to put on the closure. And if, like, my advice, if you are the type that want to make wig, if you are a beginner like me, try to get the one that has only one pattern. Don't go for this one. This was a mistake and I'm not going to be doing that mistake again. If I want to make another wig, I will make sure that I will go get the one that has only one pattern until I perfect my wig making. So yeah, the wig is so easy for me. Like, I needed another wig for school runs, and you know, I'm expecting another baby. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, how much I tried. I know I have to improve more. It's really, I know I have to improve more, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on my next video. God bless you all. Bye.